Hello everyone, and now, as you all demanded, now the time for the seats and marks for the branch MS General Surgery. I'm telling you, in all the categories, the how much marks and how much rank is needed for the last seat allotted in the government colleges in NEET PG 2018 counseling. So here I go with the general category now. So in round one, 7,385 rank and 617 marks, and in round two, 7,393 rank with 617 marks. The last seat allotted were on these ranks, and 617 marks were required for the general category student to get that MS General Surgery seat in government colleges. Now for the OBC quota students. The rank round one, the rank needed was 6,030 rank, the last seat allotted on 633 marks, and in round two, 5,995 rank and 634 marks were required for that last seat in MS General Surgery in the OBC category in NEET PG 2018 National Counseling. And now for the SC candidates, the figures are drastically changed, and the rank is 22,232 rank and 501 marks in round 1, and in round 2 it went a little bit higher of 23,601 rank and 493 marks for the SC category students to get that MS General Surgery seat, the last seat in government colleges. Now for the ST category students, the figures are much higher. In round one, 38,677 rank and 418 marks required for the last seat in general surgery, and round 2, 40,474 rank with 410 marks were required for the ST candidate to get that last seat of MS General Surgery in government colleges in 2018 National Counseling. Now in general and physical handicap, the candidates, the round ones rank 68,308 rank with 309 marks, and in round 2, 66,605 with 315 marks were required for the candidate to get the last seat for surgery, general surgery MS in NEET PG 2018 counseling for the government colleges. Now SC physical handicap, and the round one, 75,238 rank and 287 marks were the qualifying data for the candidate to get the MS General Surgery last seat in government colleges in NEET PG 2018. And now the OBC physical handicaps, no one got the seat, right? So here all the data for all the categories in general surgery, MS General Surgery, the last rank and last marks were included in this. Moreover, if you want any of the other branches details about the marks and the rank, do comment below or check my videos out. Thank you.